Today guys, we will be reviewing Insta 360 mic air. Woo! Today I will be testing Insta 360 mic air. It's inside my helmet, so just watch and listen guys. Okay, so Insta 360 mic air, we are in between many motorcycles, so let's see what's the audio quality on this situation. My visor is open, the main visor. So yeah, we are moving 23 kilometers per hour, and then let's see. Okay, just listen to this guys. Anyway, okay, now I'm closing my main visor. Okay, my visor is closed, so let's go. Let's speed up. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, I just blew my horn. And I kinda went to brake. Let's brake. Okay, speeding up. Ooh, nice. Okay, now my main visor is open, so let's see how the audio goes in 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. So yeah, my main visor is still open. Yeah, I can feel the air. It's so gone. Kusog ang hangin. Okay, now I'm closing my visor. Now my visor is closed. So let's try to pick up some speed to see how the mic catches the audio. The air here is blowing me away. Kusog ang hangin. Diri sa Mactan Bridge. Kapalig-palig hasta pala akong lawas. Okay, now we're back. We're here on Mactan Cebu International Airport, the best airport on Asia. Now my visor is open, so I think you can notice it because the air is so strong. Okay, I'm closing my visor because I can feel the air on my eyes and it's not pleasant. Yeah, the air here is strong here in Lapu-Lapu City, in Mactan Cebu International Airport. I can feel the wind blowing through my body. Okay, so to sum up our Insta 360 mic air test, the camera, the Insta 360 X5 is on my chest, And the Insta360 mic Air is inside my helmet. It's on my mouth, to be exact, to be specifically, I'll tell you specifically where it is. It's on my mouth, rather it's on my chin. And I also installed the, what do you call that, the wind guard of the Insta360 mic Air. So let's see if I didn't so let's see if I didn't encounter any technical issues while recording this video. Hopefully not. Yeah, so that's it. Welcome back to the continuation of Insta360 mic Air review. Yeah, and I also listened to the audio using earbuds. So I listened to the audio using my Samsung Galaxy earbuds to know if it's good or not. What I can say is it's okay. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good. It's acceptable, it's usable. So it's like a radio that security guards use. There's 5% like karat-karat, maybe a frequency issue or something like yeah, 95% of the audio is good, but 5% is there's something strange. I must say strange or weird. It sounds weird. Maybe there are factors that affect it, especially the microphone is in front of my mouth. Okay, I think that's it for my conclusion of Insta360 mic Air. Very good microphone, very usable, portable, and everything.